Let's be real. Confidence built on looks, achievements, or validation, it crumbles fast. But internal confidence, that's the kind of confidence that stays, even when no one's clapping, even when life's hard, even when you're uncertain. And the best part? It's buildable and sustainable. In this video, I'll teach you how through 5 practical steps. So, let's get right into it. Step 1, build a relationship with yourself. You cannot feel confident in someone you don't trust, and that includes yourself. So how do you build that trust? By keeping up with the promises you made to yourself. Doing what you said you would do, when you said you would do it. Even the small things. Study when you said you would. Go for that walk you planned. Wake up when your alarm rings. Showing up for yourself skyrockets your internal confidence. As every time you follow through, your brain stores the message. She follows through. I can count on her. And the magic multiplies when you intentionally put yourself in unfamiliar situations, like introducing yourself to someone new. It's uncomfortable, no worries. She'll handle it. As your relationship with your core becomes stronger, your life automatically turns in your favor, even the worst situations. Step 2, exposure therapy. Let's call it what it is. Most of us avoid what scares us, but confidence isn't built in avoidance. It's built in exposure. This is called exposure therapy. It means intentionally and consistently putting yourself in uncomfortable situations again and again until you become numb to them. Afraid of speaking up? Do it anyway. Scared of rejection? Apply anyway. Reach out anyway. Each time you do, your brain learns. I survived that. I'm okay. This isn't so scary after all. Over time, what once made you panic becomes normal. That's how confidence is earned. Step 3, step out of your comfort zone. Listen, if you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you've always gotten. So if you want to become that confident, extroverted version of you, you must take steps that scare you. Attend the event. Talk to new people. Start conversations. Say yes when your brain wants to say hide. Each time you do, you rewire your brain. You're training it to understand that growth is safe, and stagnant life is not what you're looking forward to anymore. Instead of thinking, what if I mess up? You'll start thinking, I can't believe I actually did that. It shifts your focus from chasing perfection to finally appreciating your wins. And once you do it once, trust me, it becomes 10 times easier to do it again. Be sure to check out a detailed video on stepping out of your comfort zone available on my channel. Step 4, build a supportive environment. You cannot thrive in an environment that shames you, drains you, or makes you shrink. Your internal confidence needs space, safety, and support to grow. Surround yourself with people who let you be your full, authentic self. Cheer for your small wins. Hold space when you're struggling. Believe in your growth without making you feel too much. As confidence blooms in rooms where you're not afraid to be seen. Whether it's friends, a mentor, or even an uplifting online community. Curate an environment that feels safe for your soul. Because we know that every person is just an average of the 5 people they surround themselves with. Be it the content you choose to consume on an everyday basis, or the friends or family you love to hang out mostly with. Step 5, self-acceptance. Let's be clear, self-acceptance doesn't mean giving up on growth. It means making peace with the parts of you that you cannot control. That scar you hate? That embarrassing moment from years ago? That nose you're insecure about and want to get a surgery done for? Internal confidence comes when you embrace all your flaws. Yes, work on your limiting beliefs. Yes, improve your habits and expand your comfort zone. But also, give yourself grace. Let go of the shame attached to your past, and stop waiting to fix everything before you feel worthy. You don't need to be perfect to feel confident, you just need to be authentic. Internal confidence isn't about walking into a room and feeling confident. Only if someone compliments you. It's about walking into a room and not chasing people's validation to feel worthy enough, pretty enough, or even confident enough. And the moment you start keeping promises to yourself, facing what scares you, and accepting the whole, beautiful, flawed version of who you are, you'll realize internal confidence is beyond materialistic gratification. It comes from within, when you start accepting that you're worthy enough no matter what happens or happened. This brings us to the end of the video. Which step are you excited to try first? Comment below. Be sure to implement these in your life along with hitting the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.